This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Tuesday, October 11th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's drought continues to worsen. We have many wildfires burning again today. And unfortunately, prospects of rain not good at least through the rest of this week, but temperatures feel pretty good. Let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view. Same story for us. We have ridging here across the deep south, deflecting the main rain-producing systems well to the north. Nice cold trough back in the northwestern states. Temperatures mostly in the 70s at mid-afternoon. Birmingham 79, the same for Tuscaloosa. Upper 70s for Anniston and Gadsden. Around the nation, very cold air into Montana and parts of the Dakotas. That cold front coming down through Iowa and Nebraska, but for us, we'll stay in this type air mass through midweek. There's the watch warning map. A winter weather advisory for parts of Montana as snow is falling there. Other than that, things are fairly quiet. Thunderstorms possible with that front across the nation's heartland. No severe weather expected today. Tomorrow, a marginal risk of severe weather from near Fayetteville and Harrison, Arkansas, up into parts of Missouri, or in Michigan, around the Great Lakes. And on day 3, which is Thursday, maybe some storms west of the state, but organized severe weather not expected. I wish I could show you a different map, but it just looks the same. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week, showing nothing. We do note the GFS tries to hint it may be a few scattered showers on Saturday, but don't get your hopes up. We'll take a look at modeling here in just a second. Bottom line is it looks pretty dry for a while. Weather in the tropics, we have one system on the board. Nicole, now a hurricane with top winds of 75 miles an hour. Pretty good looking symmetrical system on the satellite view. I wouldn't be shocked if this thing became a major hurricane by the time it comes over Bermuda on Thursday. And again, the latest track from the Hurricane Center has this thing passing very close to or right on top of Bermuda Thursday morning. And this could be a very formidable hurricane. So folks on the island there are certainly rushing their preparations. Then it kicks out to sea. No threat to the United States. No chance of bringing any rainfall to the southeastern states. So let's take a look at modeling. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Nice cold trough in the northern plains. Down below that, a surface front well north and west of the state, but the weather here is not going to change much. We start the day in the upper 40s. The high tomorrow should be around 80, just like today. Thursday, the front is just north and west of the state, but it kind of runs out of gas. There's no moisture. I guess there could be a few isolated showers over West Tennessee, but we'll leave it dry here. And we start to warm up a bit on Thursday. Temperatures will likely creep up toward the mid-80s. Same thing Friday, partly sunny, mid-80s. We note the chance of rain west of the state, from Memphis back over to Wichita Falls, but for us, we stay dry. Now, so this is Saturday, and again, you can see there's evidence that the GFS tries to put down a few scattered showers over the northern half of the state. With maybe a stalled front, but don't get your hopes up. Let's check the European Saturday evening, and it basically shows nothing. And when you're in a drought, you just kind of keep on forecasting dry weather until something really breaks it. So we'll leave Saturday dry. This is Sunday. That looks dry. Highs for the weekend, I'd say close to 80, Saturday and Sunday. Monday, a weak front tries to drift in here, and again, you might consider a small chance of a shower, but the air is dry. We're in a drought. We're going to leave rain out. Low 80s, and this is a week from today. This is Tuesday the 18th. You can see strong short waves over the northern states, but still got a 588 ridge in the Gulf Coast. That's an impressive storm if this is right. Right, goodness, that's a 981 millibar low that's north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. If that's right, the winds up there are going to be howling with a trailing front down through Dallas-Fort Worth. But that's still west of us, and we're still dry. This is Wednesday of next week. That front may be, just maybe, pushing a few showers in here in 8 days. And this is the end of the forecast period. This is Friday of next week, October 21st, troughing over Texas. And again, the main range with that will stay just a little west of this state. Bottom line is we just don't see a lot of optimism here for a beneficial drought-busting type rain for 10 days. Check the numbers. Pretty warm in the afternoon. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, but we cool down later this month. Highs dropping back in the 70s and lows down toward 50 and maybe 40s in cooler pockets. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.